What's going on, guys? Ryan, Mike Thompson's RV in Colton. Today we've got a brand new floor plan for you. This is the Grand Design Transcend 26BHX. What they've done here is a little bit of a spin-off of your classic bunk model. You'll have your 2 double bunks in the back with your bathroom, bedroom in the front. There's some awesome features on the inside you guys can't miss. Starting on the outside here, you've got a JBL speaker so you guys can listen to whatever music you like out in the campground. It does come with a stereo, while not a lot of other brands out there are still including the stereo on your travel trailer. You got satellite and 110 outlets right by the door. And look at this. You've got a little pet tether here. So for those of you with pets, you want to give them a shady place to hang out. You just drop the leash in there and they're able to hang out underneath the coach. You got a beautiful outside kitchen here. Comes with a suburban cooktop here. In the mornings, you don't want to disturb everybody in the coach. It's easy to run off the propane line from the front of your tanks. You just plug it, ready to go. One of the only travel trailers in this category that's still coming with solid steps from the factories. So for those of you that don't want the code wobbling around, it's going to give you a nice solid base when you guys are stepping in. You also got a massive gravity here. All right, first things first. You notice they've got a newer style 12-volt fridge here. So you've got double door access here, plenty of space on the inside, and then you've also got a massive freezer drawer here. All right, so you can put your ice trays up at the top here, and then all of your perishable items in the bottom there. You've got an awesome booth dinette. Now, the number one question is, does it turn into a bed? So you've got sleeping here. You can put 1 or 2 kids up on the bunks, depending on what kind of size they are. And you've got more than enough sleeping arrangements for everybody in the family. And worst comes to worst, you've got plenty of walk space here for an air mattress. You've also got some separate sleeping here. So this nice coach folds over, turns into a bed there, easily stores away. And you guys are hanging out, plenty of room to sit down. You've got massive bunks in the back here, and you do have a little bit of upgraded padding here. So most of your other travel trailers are coming with a very thin pad, and the kids are still having to sleep on air mattresses, sleeping bags. These are going to be more than comfortable, and you've also got some privacy curtains. You've got USB plugs here, so if the kids are on their phones, their iPads, whatever, they're still going to be able to entertain themselves while you guys are watching a show or the game on the TV right there. You've got a massive medicine cabinet here. So they still didn't forget about the storage in the bathroom. Under the sink, you've got room for towels, paper towels, soaps, anything you guys want. And you've got some other cubbies here for additional towels or additional storage there. Full-size shower. So this is something you're going to find in every single Transcend, whether it's their single axles or all the way up to their T models. You're going to get the same size, same fit, same finish, no matter what price point. So this is one of my favorite features on any travel trailer. Right here, you got your fighting octopuses, right, for your coats. So all of your stuff's going to have more than enough room to hang. You got additional storage here, as well as the other side, and of course you've got your USB plugs and 110 outlets. Plenty of overhead storage here if you got blankets, pillows, whatever you need. And all of your heat ducting is hidden, right? So you're not going to see any heat registers on the floor here. For my customers who have pets, you're not going to get that poof of dirt or dog hair when you guys go to kick on the furnace, right? Keeps everything nice and streamlined for you. And you've also got a massive storage underneath. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in. Once again, this is the 26BHX, a brand new floor plan from Grand Design. If you got any questions about this floor plan or any other products that we carry, come out to Colton and ask for Ryan. Thanks.